Have you ever wondered why certain plants thrive in some areas, but not in others? It all comes down to garden zones, which are geographical and climate-based regions that guide us on what plants will grow best in our gardens. These zones play a crucial role in successful gardening, ensuring the plants get the correct amount of sunlight, temperature, and moisture. Understanding these zones can significantly improve the health and growth of your plants. So, how can you decode these garden zones? Stick around to find out. Garden zones, also known as hardiness zones, are divided into regions based on their average minimum winter temperatures. Now, how do you identify your garden zone, you ask? That's where the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map comes into play. This map is a gardener's best friend, providing a detailed guide to the temperature fluctuations across the United States. The map is color-coded, with each color representing a different zone. Each zone is assigned a number, starting from 1, which represents the most frigid regions, and going up to 13, representing the warmest. To find your zone, simply locate your region on the map and note the color. Then refer to the key to determine which zone your color corresponds to. But why is this important? Well, different plants thrive in different conditions. Knowing your garden zone is the key to successful gardening and can save you both time and heartache. So, why should you care about your garden zone? Knowing your zone is key to choosing plants that will naturally thrive. Misjudging your zone can lead to plant stress, disease, even plant loss. So, understanding your garden zone can be the difference between a thriving garden and a failing one. Understanding garden zones is not as complicated as it seems, is it? With a grasp of their nuances, you can indeed turn your gardening efforts into a blooming success. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!